I am Yukta, student of MBA Management Education and Research Institute, and I am going to tell you about the biography of Nandan Mohan Rao Nilekani. Nandan Mohan Rao Nilekani is a renowned Indian businessman, technologist, and public servant. He has had a significant impact on the Indian IT industry and public policy. He is a role model for young Indians who aspire to make a difference in the world. Nandan Nilekani's profound expertise and experience in information technology have positioned him as a driving force behind India's development. His contributions have been instrumental in creating and implementing transformative digital public infrastructure projects that have reshaped the country's technological landscape. Co-founding Infosys, he was born in Bengaluru and educated at IIT Bombay. Nilekani laid the foundation for his successful career in technology and business. In 1981, he co-founded Infosys with 6 other engineers, a global consulting and technology corporation that would become a catalyst for India's technological growth. Nilekani served as Infosys COE from 1994 to 2002. He then served as the company's chairman from 2002 to 2014. Under Nilekani's leadership, Infosys grew from a small startup into a global powerhouse. The company's revenue increased from $2 million in 1981 to $10 billion in 2014. Infosys also became one of the most valuable IT companies in the world. Early life and education. Nandan Nilekani was born on June 2, 1955 in Bangalore, India. His parents were Durga and Mohan Rao Nilekani. His father worked as a general manager of Mysore and Minerva Hills. His mother was a homemaker. He studied at Bishop Cotton Boys School and St. Joseph High School, Dharwad, Karnataka, PU College, Dharwad, and received a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay in 1978. Nilekani attended the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, where he studied electrical engineering. After graduating from IIT Bombay, he worked as a management consultant for McKinsey & Company. He joined Patni Computer System, where he met and was interviewed by N.R. Narayan Murthy, who would become his mentor and co-founder the Infosys story. In 1981, Nilekani, Murthy and 5 others left Patni to start their own company, Infosys. Nilekani became the Chief Executive Officer of Infosys in March 2002 and served as CEO of the company through April 2007, when he relinquished his position to his colleague Chris Gopalakrishnan and became co-chairman of the board of directors. He returned to Infosys as non-executive chairman in August 2017 after a boardroom shakeup and the sudden departure of its CEO. Infosys became one of the first Indian companies to be listed as the NASDAQ and one of the pioneers of the offshore delivery model that revolutionized the IT services industry. Infosys also became known for its corporate governance, social responsibility, and employee welfare. The Aadhaar project. In 2002, Nilekani left Infosys to join the government as the chairman of the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, a new agency tasked with creating a biometric identity system for all Indians. The project, named Aadhaar, meaning foundation, aimed to provide a unique 12-digit number to every resident of India, along with their demographic and biometric data. The Aadhaar number would serve as a proof of identity and address for accessing various government and private services such as banking, telecom, education, healthcare, and social welfare. Nilekani served as UIDAI's chairman for 5 years. The philanthropic endeavors. He has also supported several institutions such as IIT Bombay, Indian Institute for Human Settlements, Ek Step Foundation, a not-for-profit initiative to create a learner-centric platform for children, Avanti Finance, a microfinance company, Fundamentum, a venture capital fund for technologies startups, Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and the Environment, Pratham Books, a children's book publisher, Akshara Foundation, an education NGO, among others. Recognitions and honors. Nilekani's exceptional leadership and entrepreneurial progress have earned him numerous accolades and international recognition, from being named Asia's Businessman of the Year by Fortune magazine to being listed as one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine. His achievements have left an indelible mark. Nilekani has received numerous awards and recognition for his achievements and contributions, such as the Padma Bhushan, one of India's highest civilian honors 2004, the Joseph Schumpeter Prize, the Forbes Asia Businessman of the Year, the Time 100 Most Influential People, the Foreign Policy Top 100 Global Thinkers, the Nick Asia Prize, among others. In January 2006, he became one of the youngest entrepreneurs to join 20 global leaders on the World Economic Forum Foundation Board. Books authored by him. Nilekani is also an accomplished author delving into India's potential and challenges. He has also authored 2 books, Imagining India and Rebooting India, which offer his insights and perspectives on India's past, present and future. In Imagining India, he explores the country's growth trajectory, while Rebooting India, Realizing a Billion Aspirations, co-authored with Viral Shah, addresses the opportunities and obstacles faced by the nation. Lessons learned from his life. Nilekani is an inspiration and a role model for millions of Indians who aspire to make a positive difference in the world. He has shown that technology can be a powerful tool for creating social impact and empowering people. He has also demonstrated that success and wealth come with a responsibility and generosity. He has truly transformed India with his vision, passion and leadership. Nilekani co-founded Infosys, one of India's leading IT companies. His journey from a middle-class background to building a global enterprise is a great example of entrepreneurship, vision and leadership. Nilekani has led both private and public sector projects with success. His leadership style and innovative approach to solving large-scale problems are valuable lessons in management and governance. He has been involved in various social initiatives, including education and governance reforms. His contributions extend beyond business to national development. His books, such as Imagining India, discuss technology, economy, and governance. His insights help understand India's challenges and opportunities in the digital age. He believes in using technology for social good, making his life an inspiration for entrepreneurs and policymakers. Thank you.